Hey guys, Miss Hubbard and
Miss Boggs.
Still missing you all, and it feels so strange to be in the building without you here.
It sure does.
We just wanted to give you a little heads up on what we're going to be doing. I've started a Facebook page, and Miss Boggs is on it. And as many parents and students that want to, I have to invite you. So send us a message or send somebody that you've got on your Facebook that has me, and we'll get you added to that. I tried to add us today. We called a lot of you.
Yes.
Who we could get a hold of.
We'll be calling again, so if we didn't get you today, hopefully the next time.
And you can also send us messages or send us videos on the 4th grade. It's called 4th Grade Crew.
4th Grade Crew.
I may go back in and put our names with it. I'm deciding
Has a
that.
spring background.
Yes.
It'll be familiar people on there.
We're talking an IXL and Splash Math. I made copies of papers because some have been messaging me and they found out how to get on. Others, I found out that getting on at home and getting on at school is two totally different things for some things. So I did send home when you pick up your packet.
On April 15th.
On April 15th. And your stuff is bagged up and it's in the hallway. But it's in really pretty little bags.
Yes.
Miss Boggs'
Purple
husband
stripes.
picked them up for us.
That's
We'll have
right.
to give him a shout out. Thank you, Anthony. So let's see. They have those. If you want to get on IXL before then, you still use that number as your password, and the math is your password, and the number is your login. But you have to make sure it has @Wise if you're not on the Wise site. So that's where it was throwing you off. If you're at home on Splash Math, you've got a separate code. I printed those off, and I'm sending those home too.
So those will be in the packet for you on April 15th.
And on IXL, you can also get on science stuff too.
Mm-hmm.
So some people's been having trouble getting on Google Classroom. I'm hoping to put some Kahoots on there for maybe science and Virginia studies soon as I can figure out a lot of the not legal, but technology stuff I'm learning. I want to show you how to get on Google if you've not been able to get on yet. I've been able to talk some people through, and some people it's still asking for codes and stuff. So Miss Boggs is going to
I'm going to video Miss Hubbard.
So if you go to google.com, if you go over here, usually on the regular google.com, it's got a sign in button. That's what you would hit. Mine has a J because I'm signed into my computer. So if you're signed in on somebody else's computer, like somebody else in your household is using it, all you have to do is go down here and sign in at, you would add another account. Under add another account, you would put, this is how you would log in the way we normally log in here at school.
Using your Google ID and your Google password.
And then it'll do the password, and then you can get into the Google Classroom. So I think the problem, a lot of it has been if you go to Google Classroom, or you go to try to get into Google Classroom and you're using somebody else's information, it's asking for a code, and that's why it's asking for the code.
Just go to other user if somebody else is logged in.
So in here, I'm going to put ReadWorks. If I can get it to slide over.
Okay. All right. So readworks.org. Remember that you do need a class code. If you are in my class, your code is PCPCJM. And if you're in Miss Hubbard's class, it's SYPKVK. So I'm just going to enter this code. There's one little.
You might have to do it from my computer.
Okay, and then you find your name if you're in my class, and I'm just going to click Abby's class, or Abby's name. And then your password, of course, is always 1234. And then it will bring up your assignments. I got rid of all of the old assignments today. There are 10 new assignments on here, okay, if you want to be working on those. Again, if you're in my homeroom, your code is PCPCJM. If you're in Miss Hubbard's homeroom, it's SYPKVK. Find your name, type in 1234. You can do your assignments.
All right. So
we miss you.
We miss you.
We love you.
You'll be seeing us a lot here.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.